Hi, my name is Chef Paul Wheeler. I'm the program head of the Culinary Arts program at Saskatchewan Polytechnic here in Saskatoon at the main campus on Idlewild Drive. So the Culinary Arts program is a 16-month program which is taught through 4 semesters. And each semester is a level of learning, and that builds on the previous one. And we give the skills to not only succeed as a cook, but also the management and supervisory skills that you need to become the chefs of the future. In each semester, you take approximately 8 courses. So you're at about 32 courses for the whole program. And again, it lasts for a total of 16 months. To get into our program, you need grade 12. And to start the program, there are some other certifications that we get you to do, but that's not until you're accepted into the program. Those certifications include things like the food safety handling course, the workplace safety course, but those don't take effect until you actually start here. So basically grade 12. If in high school, there's usually some sort of cooking course or home ec type course that are offered. They're not bad to take, but really not from our point of view, but only to find out that if you really like cooking. Another thing that it's helpful to have is you don't need to be a math expert, but at least knowing the basics of math is important for doing things like costing the menu and doing recipe conversions, like if you're taking a recipe going from 4 servings up to 16, for example. So a little bit of math and just knowing whether you want to do cooking in the first place. Job prospects, well, sky's the limit. There's a huge demand right now for trained cooks and chefs. Examples of potential workplaces for graduates would include restaurants, hotels, resorts, the healthcare field, senior care homes, group homes, resource development sites, for example, like mining camps, summer camps, fast food outlets, catering, personal care jobs, and then, of course, owning your own restaurant. The list goes on, and after all, we all need to eat. So bottom line is, you have an excellent chance of getting the job that you want when you graduate from the program. Simply put, a great student is someone who loves to cook and enjoys doing things for others, but especially a love of cooking, because if you don't love to cook, it's really hard work, and loving to cook takes away all that difficulty, and it gives you a sense of that you've accomplished something at the end of each day. Well, our program not only teaches the basics of cooking, like a lot of the other professional cooking courses out there, but it also gets into the higher end components of culinary arts, such as nutrition and indigenous cuisine, charcuterie, and various culinary management skills. Not only do we teach you the skills that you need to succeed as a cook, but also the skills you need to succeed in junior management and as you work your way up the ladder in the culinary industry. And perhaps most important, my recommendation is you'll just have fun here. It's a fun course to take. Well, each of our 4 semesters, what you're doing is a little bit different, but I'll give you just a general idea. Our programs usually start at 7:30 in the morning. So if you're not an early riser, you're not going to do very well, but we start at 7:30, and first thing you do is you get a briefing about what the day will consist of and what foods you'll be preparing and exercises you'll be doing. And then after that, you get some demonstrations with food preparation techniques, and then you get in there and do some hands-on practice. And you actually prepare foods that we use in our restaurants, in our cafeteria, and for catering events. Then later, after cleanup, there might be some classroom theory, both in the kitchen and in the classroom. And we also have online lessons that you can take. And we have many online resources and study aids that are there to help you as well. The best advice that I can give you is apply as early as you can. We have a wait list to get into the program. So the sooner you apply, the more likely the chance you have of getting into your desired semester. And we have 3 intakes a year, one in January, one in May, and one in September. So bottom line, apply as soon as you know that this is where you want, this is the route you want to take. Saskatchewan Polytechnic offers many programs and services to help students with diverse needs and requirements to succeed at our college. Everything from tutoring to counseling to peer support programs. We have lots available. Each student that comes here is appreciated for who they are and what they bring to Saskatchewan Polytechnic. There's a lot of support available here. You know, if you are applying or thinking of applying, what I would say is get your life set up to be able to concentrate on your studies for the 16 months that you are with us. You know, culinary arts and cooking, it's a demanding profession, but also a very rewarding one. And our program, we think, is very rewarding. And we look forward to helping you succeed and become the next generation of cooks and chefs.